Hello my dear students, good morning to all. Today we will start the class 3rd science and the third chapter of class 3rd science, and it's the third chapter, the PA first last chapter of PA first syllabus. Okay, and before it two chapters already we have completed, and this one the third chapter, food habits of animals. It's the second unit 2, that is animals life. Okay, in this chapter food habits of animals, okay, we will read about the eating habits of animals, that which type of foods, which type of different types of materials, food items they eat, the different animals eats. Okay, and the different categories of the eating habits of animals. Okay, let's start. As know that the first topic is there, herbivorous. It is well known by you that what the meaning of herbivorous, herbs. The herbs eating animals is well known as the herbivorous. That means plant eating animals. The green plant products, the plants, leaves, branches, the products that come from the plants, पेड़ पौधों से प्रोडक्ट आते हैं, उसे जो खाते हैं उसे बोलते हैं herbivores. That is called the herbivorous, plant eating animals. And then after that the different types of examples here I will give you. And firstly we have to complete the definitions of herbivorous. Mainly the animals that we see around us are plant eaters. Normally they mainly eat grass or leaves. Such animals are called herbivorous. Okay, many domestic animals are herbivorous. Those animals which are reared on farms, also these are domestic animals in homes or for our benefit, are called domestic animals. Many wild animals are herbivorous too, because they eat the green leaves, the plant products. They eat the plant products. Okay. Now the second topic is there, and here some examples of herbivorous: cow, buffalo, goat, camel. Okay, these are the types of example, like, and dog also. Okay, now the second topic is there, carnivorous. Carnivorous, the flesh-eating animals, the animals that will fully depend on the other animals' flesh, meat, like the lions and tigers. जो फ्लैश ईटिंग एनिमल्स होते हैं, जो दूसरे एनिमल्स पे डिपेंड होते हैं, जो दिस टाइप ऑफ एनिमल्स, कार्निवोरस, नॉट ईट द plants products, they eat only the flesh of other animals. That's why these type of animals are called carnivorous. And the examples, as you know very well, that the lion, tiger. Okay, this type of carnivorous. Most carnivorous animals are predators. That means they prey. इनके शिकार होता है, ये शिकार करते हैं. They prey. They attack on their prey and eat the flesh of prey. Predators hunt other animals called prey for food. That is I to explaining you. Now the next topic is there, omnivorous. Omnivorous. The both plant and flesh eating animals are well known as omnivorous. वो animals जो plant भी खाते हैं, and the different thing is there to eat flesh of other animals, like crow, कौवा, जो कि जो प्लांट्स भी खाता है, and the flesh of other animals it also eat. Some animals eat both flesh as well as plants. They are called omnivorous. Omnivorous animals have greater variety in the food they eat, like crows, bears are omnivorous. We humans are omnivorous too. If we use the two words, that is vegetarian, non-vegetarian. In other words, a person who eats both things, veg or non-veg. Then this type of person we already called omnivorous person, animals, humans. Okay. Now the next topic will start. The next topic is scavengers. Scavengers. Okay. What is the scavengers? Scavengers is those animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. Like the carnivorous lion, tiger, it attack on their prey पर अटैक करते शिकार को उसके मार देते हैं. Like that prey, the example of prey is deer. बियर इन पर अटैक करके इनको मारते हैं, इनको फ्लैश खा लेते हैं. बट दे डोंट ईट द होल फ्लैश, दे लीव द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्रे. दैट पार्ट, द टाइट बोन्स, द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्लैश बॉडी इज पार्ट ऑफ द प्रे दैट द कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स लीव्स, जो लीव कर देते हैं, उनको जो खाते हैं उसे बोलते हैं स्कैवेंजर्स. जो कि वल्चर, लाइक द एग्जांपल्स आर वल्चर एंड हिनास आर स्कैवेंजर्स. वल्चर्स और हिनास ये स्कैवेंजर्स होते हैं. स्कैवेंजर्स जो कि डेड एनिमल्स का जो डेड एनिमल्स के पार्ट्स होते हैं वो खाते हैं. दे प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन द क्लीनिंग अप द एनवायरनमेंट बाय ईटिंग डेड एनिमल्स इन देयर सराउंडिंग्स. जो डेड एनिमल्स होते हैं यहाँ पर, ऐसे डेड एनिमल्स जिसे एनिमल्स जो होते हैं आपके कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स खाते नहीं हैं, उनको ये स्कैवेंजर्स जो वल्चर्स और हिनास होते हैं उसे ईट करते हैं. दे आर वेल नोन एज द जो ये एनवायरनमेंट क्लीनर होते हैं, बहुत क्लीनिंग अप द एनवायरनमेंट बाय ईटिंग डेड एनिमल्स. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज फूड चेन. Yes, food chain. Living things depend on one another to survive. हम लोग एक दूसरे पर डिपेंड रहते हैं सर्वाइव करने के लिए. लाइक हेयर सम एनिमल्स ईट, जो एनिमल्स प्लांट्स, कुछ एनिमल्स प्लांट्स खाते हैं, उसके बाद उन एनिमल्स को कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स खाते हैं, उसके बाद वो कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स जो डेड मर जाते हैं उनको स्कैवेंजर्स खाते हैं. दैट इज द वे. इन दिस वे वी विल शो द चेन, food chain of the life. Like in figure you may see that the grass eating grass. Okay, grass को खाते हैं. The grass, the deer eats grass. A deer eats grass. After that a deer is eaten by a lion. A lion eats the deer. Okay, the third process. Now the same as and the grains, a hen eats grains, and after that a fox eats hen. This is the terminating thing. Like पहले ग्रास को किसी जानवर ने खाया, वो जानवर किसी और ने खाया. इट्स अ फूड प्रोसेस. जो फूड चेन होता है इसे बोलते हैं. ओके. नाउ द एनिमल्स ईट देयर फूड. एनिमल्स जो होते हैं वो फूड कैसे खाते हैं? एनिमल्स ईट देयर फूड इन डिफरेंट वेज. यस, इन डिफरेंट वेज, अलग तरीके से खाते हैं. द शेप ऑफ द माउथ, द काइंड ऑफ टीथ ऑफ एनिमल डिपेंड ऑन देयर ईटिंग. जो काइंड लाइक द कार्निवोरस टीथ, ब्रॉड टीथ, 4 types of teeth. The different animals have flesh eating animals have the sharp teeth, like you may see in the figure in the page number 25, that the chewing cud, जो cud eating animals होते हैं, like the herbivores, like cow, buffalo have blunt teeth. They have the blunt teeth by the habitats of their eating. जो खाने के habitats होते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. They cutting and grinding the food, that's why they have the blunt teeth. Now The carnivores like lion and cheetah have a set of very sharp teeth called canines in their mouth to tear the flesh. They have the different teeth of their depend on their eating. Teeth of herbivores are different from those of carnivores. The teeth of herbivorous animals are different. Both of carnivorous से जो different होते हैं those of carnivorous. After that the rabbits, rats, squirrels, etc. जो ये सब होते हैं they have the sharp front teeth to gnaw seeds को काटने के लिए खाने के लिए and fruits को gnawing is beating of teeny bits of food with the front teeth. जो gnawing होता है उसे बोलते हैं it's the habit of the beating of teeny bits of food with the help of front teeth. Now the elephants have a long trunk. They lift their food with this trunk and put it into their mouth. Okay. And yes, they lift their food with this trunk and put it into their mouth. Now the birds like hawks, owls, eagles have very sharp eyesight. They have very sharp eyesight. They easily find the dead bodies of the animals. Sharp curved beaks. They have the sharp curved beaks, long sharp claws that help them to capture and kill and carry their prey. Most of the carnivores have claws while herbivores have hooves. Whereas जो carnivores होते हैं उनके पास claws होते हैं और herbivores होते हैं उनके पास hooves होते हैं. Okay, now the fish like sharks use rows of small sharp teeth in their mouth to catch, hold and kill their prey. जो fish और sharks होती हैं, use the rows of small sharp teeth. They use the small sharp teeth in their mouth to catch, hold and kill their prey. In this way, the fish and sharks eat their food. Okay. Now the animals like frog and lizards have long sticky tongues. The animals like frogs and lizards have long sticky tongues. इनकी लंबी जीभ होती है that can easily stick दूसरे किसी इंसेक्ट्स को आसानी से उसने पकड़ सकती हैं जो कि इसके स्टिकी होने की वजह से इसमें चिपक जाते हैं और दूर नहीं जा सकते. In this way they shoot the tongue out an insect which gets stuck to it and they do not have teeth to bite or chew their food. They swallow it whole. ये उसे लील जाते हैं. They swallow it whole and then eat. Snakes swallow their food. They do not chew the food. Snakes also swallow their food को लीलते हैं. Swallow their food. They do not eat. Chew चबाते नहीं food को. Mosquitoes suck blood from the body of human beings and other animals. Yes, mosquitoes suck blood. They suck the blood from the body of human beings and other animals. The leech sucks blood of animals by sticking to the animal's body with the help of suckers. Suckers is an organ that helps the animal, जो कि help करता है animal की to stick the surface. Butterflies have a hollow tube through which they suck up nectar from flowers. Okay. जो बटरफ्लाई होते हैं वो अपने सक नेक्टर से जो रस होता है suck up the nectar from flowers. They have the tube, hollow tube in the front of the mouth. Okay. In this way the different types of animals eat their foods, whether it will be mosquito, frog, butterfly, okay, the lion, tigers, the different categories here that divide the different, separate the animals easily depend on their eating habits. Okay students, now you will read the chapter also and clear your doubts and watch this video. After that we will clear all the classes, all the things, rest of things in the Zoom classes. Thank you.